Hello and welcome to Look Back, Look Ahead. I'm Frank Calderone. Last week, ending December 1st, the Dow had its best month since October of 22, while both the S&P and Nasdaq had their best gains since July of 22, as investors sense that the Fed will not raise rates for the remainder of the year. New home sales were lower than expected, down 5.6% in October. The average sales price was $487,000. Last October, the average price was $543,300. The home price index increased by 0.6% in September as home price appreciation continues to move higher. The consumer confidence index increased for the first time in 3 months after a downward revision in October's number. GDP for the third quarter was revised upward to 5.2% from the initial estimate of 4.9%. The Personal Consumption Expenditures Index, or PCE index, increased 3.8%, while core PCE, excluding food and energy, increased 2.8%. The PCE price index was flat, while personal income and personal spending increased as expected in October. The PCE index measures consumer spending of goods and services, while the PCE price index measures the prices of those goods and services. The pending home index declined 1.5, the lowest reading since 2001. The ISM manufacturing PMI stayed flat in November and remains in contraction territory for the 13th consecutive month. And construction spending increased 0.6% in October, up 10.7% from last October. Year to date, the Dow is up 9.35%, the S&P is up 19.67%, and the Nasdaq is up 36.67%. The yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury bond is 4.22%. Oil closed at $74.32 a barrel. Gold closed at $2,070.26 an ounce, with silver closing at $25.47 an ounce. For this week of December 4th, Monday we'll get factory orders. Tuesday, the ISM Services Index and job openings will be reported. Wednesday, we'll get ADP employment data, U.S. productivity, and the U.S. trade deficit. Thursday, initial jobless claims, wholesale inventories, and consumer credit will be reported. And on Friday, the employment data, the unemployment rate, hourly wages, and consumer sentiment all will be reported. And as always, we'll keep a watchful eye on these and any other events that may and will shape the markets. In the meantime, be diversified with your investments and always know what you want in your portfolio. If you have any questions with anything you've heard in this video, or would like to schedule a complimentary review of your portfolio, please give us a call. We are accepting new clients. This is Frank Calderone from Raymond James in New York. Have a fantastic week. Be well, stay safe, and remember, always look ahead.